Colonisation never really ended. It just morphed into the structural institutional racism we find ourselves living in and find ourselves trying to negotiate. So we're at a time now where we've had enough of tweaking around the edges, of suggesting an inadequate health system could benefit from some cultural awareness or cultural sensitivity. We've been doing that for years and we're still here. So it appears all of our efforts, or one could argue, all of our efforts have stopped things getting worse. I mean, we'd have to accept that, right? But I would suggest we're still having this conversation because what's at the nub of the issue really hasn't been addressed. And I would propose to you, this is what it is, living in racism, right? So while our politicians might, I don't know, pontificate about we shouldn't be talking about colonisation that ended, oh, well, colonisation never really ended. It just morphed into the structural institutional racism we find ourselves living in and find ourselves trying to negotiate.